And this is the fan which I got from Orient Electric. So it's a BLDC fan. As you could see, the star rating has been given. It's actually a brown one. Okay, so it's more or less actually Zeno BLDC. Some packaging things. Okay, written on the side. On the side also there are some contents written. Okay. Not a bag, it's nothing. On the side is actually, so I just tried to open it. Okay, already just I opened to check whether the parts are there or not. So one middle box, actually we have the fan, and on this one we have the remote. Right? This is the remote which we get with this fan, and on the side we get the pipe, hanging pipe, and only one cover we get. So I think it will be going on the top, I guess. Okay. And two manuals. Let's check this one. And we have the blades over here. Apart from this, I think something. No, I think that's it, guys. Actually, okay. Let me remove all these out and show. They have also given me this thing, this rubber boost. I think in my case I will not be using that one, because that one goes beyond the roof, this false ceiling. So I will not be using this one, as also this pipe I won't be using it. So it's an extra, I think. So this is how the fan looks actually. So I don't know why this additional box is being over here. I really don't know, because fans like Attenberg, they actually inbuiltly they have their system. This, so in Attenberg and other company fans, I have seen that this unit will be merged in this one. There will be a combined unit construction, but this one is having an additional box. Okay. So even for me, I think we need to connect the positive and negative wire here. I'm actually a bit of confused, because a lot of wires have been angled outside. I don't know why these wires have been outside. So they could have just inbuiltly given this inside. So I don't know. Let us see. So next we need to fix these fins. Okay, fan blades. So we have to remove these two, and on the side we have to remove the screws and mount it. I will suggest you guys using this big long spanners, sorry, screwdrivers, so that will be easy for you. So I have fixed the blades. Okay. So while fixing please try not to bend this one. There will be too thin and start bending. Okay. So I fixed the blades, and for the negative and positive, this is the one. Okay. So on the black you give the negative connection, and on the brown you give the positive connection. So they gave us 2 cups. Okay. So this is the one. So this one will be covering this top. Okay. And another one which is a bit smaller compared to this. Okay. It's smaller. It will be coming on the top. So before fixing this to the top, just fix these 2 cups, and then you try to fix it. Okay. So they gave us this type of bolt and nuts. So this is the fan which I was using it previously. Okay, so you could see it become too old and it's not working actually. So this cap and the top cap, you see, like I bought it additionally for this fan. This does not comes with the same fan. Okay. So let me remove this one and fix that one and show. So this one actually is from a company called Popular. So everything is scheduled off. So I tried changing the capacitor, even though it's not working. So I guess it's a bit old, and the coil inside the fan would have been so. So I prefer, if you guys are having any rental house or so, you could just keep this one. So for the fixing of the coil, I think they would be asking around 400, I guess. So you can fix it. in your rental house or somewhere. This is how the fan looks. Okay, so I'm just having the remote with me. So I've turned the switch on. Right now, just let me turn this. Keep it in 1. So I have kept the speed in 1. So the noise actually not that too loud. Okay, so this is the first speed, 2, 3, 4, 5, the max. So if you're keeping it in the 2 or 1, 2 or 3, it will just consume around 15 watts, I guess. So 5 or full speed will consume more power. Now to speed. And you have one thing called boost. Yeah, actually it's a bit faster to say. Okay, and you have some sort of timer and all. I don't know about this features. I think this is 2 hours, 4 hours, I guess. And yes, you have an LED. It's not that bright, guys. Actually, this LED it won't be that useful. Let me turn off the light and show you. So what is that? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.